Hey guys, so this one happened kind of quick, so I think we have the sneak peek of the Alamar Cosmetics product that's going to be in the May BoxyCharm box.
Hey Charmers, if you want to see how I did this easy makeup look, swipe up, and there might be a sneak peek in there.
It looks, guys, now it looks like it's going to be the blush trio. This was the one I was shooting for. I mean, they look like really beautiful blushes. So anyways, let me tell you a little bit about them. There are 3 different palettes, and of course there are 3 different shades in each palette. They are valued at $22, and one is fair light, one is medium tan, one is dark rich, and these are called the Colorette Blush Trios. They are curated with 3 blushes designed to complement any skin tone. They just look amazing, guys, and I was so glad to get this video out so fast after we found that out. So I'm so glad it just happened like that instead of making us wait days to figure out which Alamar Cosmetics product it was going to be. So guys, I wanted to swing on here and update you guys about it, and make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, make sure you rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it shows YouTube that you are at least watching my videos. And also, one more thing before you guys go. One more thing. It is for you to hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.